Hello everyone, I am Dr.Shanker, working as a assistant professor in School of Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence, SR University, Warangal. Today I am going to discuss about very important subject, computer networks. This subject is useful for BTech Computer Science and Engineering students, BTech Information Technology, MCA students and MSc Computer Science students. All you people know that in our daily life, every transaction means if you want to make the any transaction, if you want to communicate with others, we are depending on interactive devices like computers, smartphones and other interactive devices. So please keep in mind here, all these interactive devices, most of the interactive devices may work on networks only. Please keep in mind it. If you want to make any kind of online transaction, then definitely we need to use the networks. If there is no supporting of a network, as a user, we people not able to make any kind of a transactions nowadays. All you people know that nowadays everything is digitalization. So in this, today we are going to discuss about some basics concepts of computer networks, overview of networking, understanding the purpose of networks, evolution of networks and types of computer networks. So just we'll go through the definition of a computer network. So please you keep in mind here, just I am giving technical definition of a networks. First of all, we have to know about network. Actually, what is network and the purpose of network and importance of network we have to know. So just simple, just you can observe here, a network is a system that connects two or more computing devices such as computers, servers, smartphones or printers. Actually, why these computing devices connecting to each other? To share the resources, to share the data and to enable communication services. Without networks there is no any kind of communication. Without networks there is no any connection between two or more devices. Means what? We are establishing the connection between the all the interactive devices using networks only. So here just you can observe the figure. I have given the figure here. Just you can see here, here we have the multiple devices. Here we have the wireless devices and here we have the wired devices. Some devices connected to a network wirelessly, some devices connected to a network with the help of wires. So just you can observe here, here we have the internet service provider, ISP. We have internet service provider. Internet service providers may provides the network services. Internet services providers may provides the network services. Now with the help of the network services, all these multiple devices connected to a network. Just you can observe here. Here we have the one router. All the devices connected to a router here. Here some connection oriented devices we have, some wireless devices we have. Now that internet service providers, the internet, the network services connected to a router first. From router, here devices, interactive devices may receive the network services. Just you can observe here. Here we have the wireless devices, and here we have the wired devices. All the wired devices connected to it. We need to establish the connection between router and these devices. Now all these devices connected to a router with the help of a wired, means connection oriented. It is the connectionless services. These are the connection oriented services. This is the connectionless services. It is the main concept of network. Please keep in mind here. Means what here? With the help of a network, all the devices connected. With the help of a network, all the devices connected together, connected to each other. The purpose of connecting to each other is to share the data, to share the resources, and to provide the communication services. It is the main basic concept of network. Please keep in mind here. Simply we will say that here network is a communication medium which allows the interactive devices to connect to each other and to share the resources, to share the data, and to share the communication services. That is the main concept of networks. And here we have, now we need to know about computer networks. Just you can observe here, I have given the technical definition of a computer networks. Computer network is a collection of interconnected devices that communicate with each other using standard protocols over wired or wireless media. We have already discussed it. Here two types of communication services will be provided: connectionless services and connection oriented services. And importance of a networks, as we have already discussed, the main concept of network is that resource sharing. The importance of a network, resource sharing. Actually, what is the main concept of resource sharing? For example, just you can take net cafe. For example, you can take a net cafe. Many systems connected to each other with the help of a communication links like local area networks. Whatever the systems connected to a local area network, and among that systems, one system is treated as a server. Now, one resource like a printer connected to that server. Whatever the clients, means whatever the systems, other systems we have, whatever all the other systems called as clients. Now all the clients can be connected to a server. Now only one resource is called printer is connected to a server. Now all the clients, whatever the clients connected to a server, all the clients share that resource, that is the printer, is called resource sharing. Actually, what are the advantages we have for resource sharing? Cost saving, because here we have the multiple systems, all these multiple systems sharing the only one resource, that is printer. Please you keep in mind here. If you want to give the print from any system, whatever the systems connected to a network, and we people as a user can able to give the print from any system, and we people can able to get the print. That is the main concept of resource sharing. Next, importance of a network we have communication. all you people know that nowadays number of social media channels are available, and we people can able to communicate with each other by sending and receive the messages by using the social media channels. So please you keep in mind here. Here network may enable the communication among the devices. Network may enable the communication. Then we people can able to share the mails. We people can able to share the text messages. We people can able to receive the text messages, video messages, voice based messages, which is because of network only. Please you keep in mind, that is the main concept of importance of network communication. Networks enable the communication. Then we people can able to share the emails. We people can able to share the text messages, voice based messages, video messages, all the multimedia messages we people can able to share with the help of networks. Please you keep in mind here. Next importance of a network, centralized data management. Yes please, with the help of a networks we people can able to back up the data. We people can able to store the data for long period of a time. Means what here? Centralized servers, with the help of a networks, centralized servers allows us for data backup for a long period of time. With the help of a centralized data management, we people can able to back up the data, we people can able to store the data. That is the main concept of centralized data management. Next, cost efficiency. We have already discussed. Networks allows infrastructure and resource sharing. A one resource can be used by the many users. One resource can be used by the many users. That is the main concept of cost efficiency. Means what here? With the help of a implementation of a networks, with the help of a resource sharing, we people can able to save the cost by sharing the one resource among a multiple users. That is the main concept of cost efficiency. And scalability and flexibility. Yes, 100% all you people know that networks can easily be expanded as organizations grow. Scalability is the ability to extend its services. So, with the help of this feature, the networks can easily be expanded as organizations grow. And remote access, all you people know that users can access files and applications from anywhere using virtual private networks or cloud services. If a particular interactive device connected to a network means, as a user we people can able to access any kind of files, and we people can able to download any kind of files, and we people can able to share any kind of files. That is the main concept of remote access from any centralized databases. That is the main concept. Please you keep in mind here. Next, types of networks. As all you people know that here we have the various types of networks: local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network, and personal area network. Here every network purpose is different. The first you can go through local area network. Local area networks can be used within a home, office or building. For example, you can take the laboratory in computer labs. With the help of a local area networks, all the computers can be connected together and all the computers can able to share the files and access the files, and mostly this local area networks can be covered very short area. Next, wide area network. All you people know that wide area networks covers large geographical areas. The example for wide area network is internet. Internet is also called as global network. With the help of this global network, we people can able to connect to all the interactive devices, and we people can able to share the all the multimedia messages by using this global network, and all the social media channels may work using this internet only. Please keep in mind here. So without networks, we people not able to send any kind of a messages by using the interactive devices and emails, and if you want to interact with the any other devices like interactive devices like computer systems and smartphones, 100% we need to establish the internet connection. That is the main concept of internet. Please keep in mind. And here we have the metropolitan area networks. Metropolitan area networks which covers the span of a city or campus. For example, you can take the cable services. In cable services, metropolitan area network can be implemented. With the help of metropolitan area network, we people can able to covers the city. Next, we have the personal area network. Personal area networks can be implemented for personal devices like Bluetooth. Next, evolution of a computer networks. As 100% we have to know that first actually what is evolution. Evolution is a improvement, evolution is a advancement, and evolution is a update. Means in every new development, some additional features can be added, additional functionalities can be added, and additional operations can be added. That is the main concept of evolution. Here we have the evolution of a computer networks. In 1960s, the birth of networking. At the time of 1960s, we have ARPANET, the first practical network funded by the US Department of Defense, and introduced packet switching as an efficient method of data transmission. In 1970s, protocol foundations here introduced transmission control protocol and internet protocol. In 1970s, introduced transmission control protocol and internet protocol. Developed to standardize communication across different systems, and introduced Ethernet. The Ethernet invented by the Xerox, it became the foundation for local area networks. Next, evolution 1980s, local area networks and standardization. With the help of local area networks, offices, universities adopted local area networks for internal communication. After introducing local area networks, offices and universities adopted local area networks for internal communication, and networking standards also introduced. open system interconnection model introduced to guide network protocol development in 1980s, and in 1990s it is the very big invention, that is the internet expansion. World Wide Web introduced by Tim Berners-Lee, transforming static data sharing into a dynamic and hyperlinked experiences. And internet service providers began offering home internet access. Internet service providers began offering home internet access in 1990. One more big evolution we have in computer networks in 2000, wireless and mobile revolution. All you people know that here. When mobiles came in picture, the complete network, the complete communication has been changed. Before 2000, we have the wired communication services, means connection oriented services like telephone system. In 2000, wireless services, means connection-less services and mobile services came in picture, and in 2000 established Wi-Fi services, that is the widespread, supporting mobility and wireless access, that is the wireless fidelity. With the help of a wireless fidelity, wireless and mobile services has been established, and broadband services also introduced for faster internet speeds, and smartphones also introduced. In a smartphones enabled network connectivity with the help of wireless services. Clear? When Wi-Fi services comes in picture, then introduced smartphones, and in 2010 cloud and IoT services introduced. I think all you people know about cloud services. With the help of a cloud services, as a user, we people without maintaining any kind of physical databases and physical servers, we people can able to save our data, we people can able to store our data by using the cloud services. All the centralized databases and online services can be implemented by using the cloud services without maintaining any kind of physical databases and physical servers. And cloud service providers may provide the on-demand services based on pay as you go. Means no any free services will be provided by the cloud service providers. If you want to get the any kind of a cloud services, definitely we need to pay something. Every service is available online based on pay as you go pricing. That is the main concept of cloud services. And here we have the many services. Cloud based services we have, infrastructure has a service, platform has a service, software has a service we have. All these topics will discuss in cloud computing in my next lecture. And very important, one more technology introduced in 2010, that is IoT, Internet of Things. These services are network based services, and we people can able to use objects in Internet of Things like sensors, cameras and home devices, and Arduino devices also used in Internet of Things. And one more revolution we have in 2020s, that is the 5G and artificial intelligence and advanced networking. With the help of this networking, increased speed of networks, just you can see here in 5G technology enables ultra fast and low latency communication. Nowadays all we people using 5G technology services. Within a fraction of seconds we people can able to download the videos, we people can able to share the videos, we people can able to share the multimedia messages within a fraction of seconds by using the 5G technology. And next technology introduced in 2020, software defined networking offers programmable network management. And trending technologies introduced in 2020, artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies, with the help of these technologies, enhance network security, traffic management and optimization, robotics, and with the help of a artificial intelligence, driverless cars and machine learning implemented in healthcare. It is the basic information and brief information about evolution of computer networks. Thank you.